My name is Oborien Patience Yetunde. I am your personal teacher in office practice, and I'll be teaching you the topic office document. At the end of these lessons, you students should be able to 1. Define the meaning of office document. 2. List and state the types of office documents, their uses, and examples. What is an office document? An office document is any written or printed material that is used in an office to record, communicate, or store information. These documents are very important for daily office operations, and they can be created either manually or using office software suites. We have some office software like Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, or LibreOffice. All these office software suites, they are all used for businesses, educational, or personal productivity purposes. All these documents, they are typically, like we have many of them, like 1, we have word processing documents, which is basically used for typing like letters, your report, or essay. 2, spreadsheet is used for organizing, analyzing, calculating data. We have 3, presentations. We use presentation for slideshows and visual communication, like what we're doing, we use it like we do presentation. 4, we have database files, is used for storing structured information. 5th, we have forms and templates. These are used for standard document format or collect data. In short, office documents are tools for editing, creating, and managing information in a structured and professional way. Thank you.
My name is Oloruntoba Adedayo Sunday. I'm your personal teacher. I'm going to take you office practice, and I'm taking you the type of document. Office documents can be grouped into the following main types. 1. Administrative document. 2. Sales document. 3. Purchasing stroke store document. And I want to explain what is called administrative document and the uses. The uses of administrative document, they help in communication, planning, reporting, and keeping records of the office activities. 2. Sales document. The uses, they help track what was sold, the quantity, the price, payment, and delivery. 3. Purchasing store document. The uses of purchasing store document, dey help control stock confirm, order and keep record of items bought and stored. When you are talking about administrative document, you can talk about information management, communication, record keeping, administration support, and coordination of all organization. And you are talking about sales document, e make us know what comes in and goes out in terms of our price, in terms of payment, and in terms of delivery. And we are talking about purchasing and store document. All those ones deal with all our records in all items and in all our division to know what we in and what we deliver to all our customer. Thanks.
My name is Anya Ifesina Chiesta. I'm your personal teacher on office practice. I'll be teaching you on the topic, the explanation on the types of office documents. Now, the first type of office documents we have is the administrative documents. Now, what do we mean by the administrative documents? The administrative documents are documents used for the daily running of management in an office or in an organization. The examples of the office documents include the memos, reports, minutes, meeting minutes, and the staff's record. Now, what do we mean by memo? A memo is a type of written communication used to address a large body of recipients. Now, what do we mean by the meeting minutes? The meeting minutes is a what? Is a document that takes the details of what was said during a meeting in an organization. What do we mean by the staff records? The staff record is a document that entails all the details of the staff, ranging from their qualification, their date of birth, every information about a particular staff. Now, the second type of office documents we have is the sales documents. What do we mean by the sales documents? The sales documents are documents used during the sale of goods or services. They do what? They show the details of transaction between a seller and a buyer. Now, what are the examples of these sales documents? One of the example is the invoice. We have the invoice, the receipt, the delivery notes, the quotation, and the sales order. Now, what do we mean by invoice? An invoice is a bill issued by a seller to a buyer, indicating the product, the quantities of the products, and the agreed pieces of products. Now, what do we mean by receipts? The receipt, as we all know, is an evidence of payment. Now, the 12 types of office documents, we have the purchasing, or you can call it the store documents. Now, what do we mean by the purchasing documents? The purchasing documents are the documents used when buying or purchasing of goods or managing items in the store. And examples of these purchasing documents are, we have the purchase order, we have the goods received notes, we have the requisition form, we have the stock card, and we have the bill card. Now, what do we mean by the requisition form? This requisition form is a document that shows what a particular buyer needs. It gives a details of all the requirements needed by a particular buyer. Thank you.